Trucks didn't just move cargo, they built America. Here are 3 legendary trucks that changed history forever. Number 1. The 1917 Ford Model TT, the world's first pickup truck. It helped farmers, soldiers, and workers move the nation forward. Number 2. The Chevy Silverado, launched in 1999. It redefined comfort and strength in pickups and became a symbol of American reliability. Number 3. The Tesla Cybertruck, love it or hate it, it's a game changer. With its stainless steel body, bullet-resistant glass, and full electric torque, it's built to challenge the future. From the Model TT to the Cybertruck, pickups have come a long way. Which era's truck do you love most? Classic or futuristic? Comment below, like the video, and subscribe for more truck history facts.